This week in the Frame Shop, our founding fathers are going to a masquerade ball. George Washington and James Madison. Caroline at Falconer Design has a job in DC, and so she sent us an internet picture as inspiration. We resourced the portraits and the butterflies, and then Joe did some Photoshop magic to create these, and they turned out really nice. They're printed on canvas with this cool gold ornate frame. I think they're going to look really good in the project. Now let's take a look at some other pieces from this project. DC has an iconic subway design. So these pictures started out as color photography. We made them black and white, and then we added in these Sherwin-Williams colors that the designer specified. So this is the kind of thing we do quite often, where we take ordinary photography and we do something to it to make it a little more interesting. Changing the colors, adding color in, photo filters, all kinds of options. It's almost unlimited what we can do with photography. So let's get creative and do something for your next project. Last but not least, we made two architectural collages like this. It's printed on metal and then contour cut. You'll recognize the Capitol, Supreme Court, Lincoln Memorial, all the famous buildings in DC. And then we even made this frame to go around it, and boy was that a challenge. But it looks great, so please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time in the Frame Shop.